Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of hand lettering. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to improve your skills, this 2-minute guide will help you get started on your hand lettering journey. So grab your favorite pens and paper and let's get creative. 1. Gather your supplies. Before we start lettering, let's make sure you have the right supplies. You'll need quality pens or markers, smooth paper and a comfortable workspace. I recommend starting with a basic set of black pens to keep things simple. 2. Understand basic lettering styles. Next, familiarize yourself with basic lettering styles. There are various styles like serif, sans serif, script and more. Take a few moments to explore and practice each style to find what suits your taste. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. It's all about getting a feel for the different letter shapes. 3. Practice basic strokes. Practice makes perfect. Focus on basic strokes like the upstroke and downstroke. These form the foundation of hand lettering. Experiment with different pressures on your pen to create thick and thin lines. By mastering these strokes, you'll have better control over your lettering style. 4. Learn letter connections. Now that you've got the basics down, let's move on to connecting letters. Pay attention to how letters flow into each other. Practice common letter combinations to improve the fluidity of your hand lettering. This step is crucial for creating cohesive and visually appealing designs. 5. Add your personal touch. Hand lettering is a form of self-expression, so don't be afraid to add your personal touch. Experiment with embellishments, flourishes, and decorative elements. This is where your creativity can shine. Feel free to explore different styles and make the letters your own. 6. Create a simple project. It's time to put your skills to the test. Choose a short quote or phrase and create a simple hand-lettered project. This could be a card, bookmark, or even a mini poster. Applying what you've learned in a practical project will help reinforce your skills and boost your confidence. There you have it, a quick and easy guide to kickstart your hand lettering journey. Remember, practice is key, so don't get discouraged if your first attempts aren't perfect. Keep honing your skills, exploring different styles, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave any questions or requests in the comments below. Until next time, happy lettering.